So you want to upgrade to Windows 11 but don't know how to? I'm here for you. Hey guys, my name is Shab and welcome back to Shab Passion Gamer. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and install Windows 11 on your PC or laptop. I'm going to be showing you guys two methods, but before we do that, we want to go to this website right here to check the compatibility. If your laptop or PC is even compatible with that hardware. Go ahead and go to this site right here. The links are in the description. Scroll down. Right here you will see PC Check app. Go ahead and install it. Go ahead and press check now. If your pop-up says something like this with a green arrow, it's all good and you can go ahead and install Windows 11, else you can't. I'm sorry. The first method to install Windows 11 is go ahead and press Windows plus I. Go to update and security. Wait for it to load. It should show a pop-up which should say install Windows 11 with the background of Windows 11. A picture will be right on the screen. But if it doesn't, just like mine, there's another method which will definitely allow you to install Windows 11. What you want to do is open Google Chrome or any of your preferred browser. You want to go to the website microsoft.com/english-us-software-download/Windows 11. The link is in the description. Go ahead and press download now. There are multiple methods to download Windows 11 over here, but we will be using the Windows 11 installation system, which is the standard method. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and press it and install. Continue like any other installation. At the end, it's going to ask you to restart. Go ahead and press restart. And there you go, you have Windows 11. For the video, I want to talk about some problems with Windows 11. Currently, there is some information about Windows 11, especially for gaming. There might be some problems when you to upgrade to Windows 11 yet until about a week or two. I won't recommend you to download Windows 11 before final reviews are out from Linus Tech Tips and YouTubers such as him. And if you're gaming, especially on your hardware, would really recommend you to wait because there might be some performance issues and such. So thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if this is helpful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.